Hi everyone. So today we will learn the concept of shared coordinates in Revit. So let's take an example. Like we have a site and then we on the site we have two buildings, building one and building two. Okay. And the site is actually located along with the north and the buildings are shown here according to the true north, which is somewhat like this. Now, if we start modeling our buildings in the slant manner like this or at an angle of true north, then it would be really difficult for all of us to make any kind of a dimensions, annotations, and even the modeling part as well. So for that, we'll keep our site file as a different file, then the building files as a different file, and then we'll link them through shared coordinate system. Now, how will we do that? Let's see. Now, so imagine if this is our building one, okay, and this is our building two. So now we will see how we can link it with the shared coordinate system. So the first step is to link the site file into the building files. Okay, we are doing the vice versa situation, we are doing the opposite situation. So now we'll link the site file in this building one file through the option shared coordinate system and click open. So you will see the site file will automatically fall at its original position in the site file itself. Now the twist here is if you go to the site plan into the floor plans views, you will see some project base point and survey points. Project base point is set to 00 and even the survey point is also set to 00. Okay, now the next thing you have to do is to move and adjust the site file according to our building. We don't want to move our building file, otherwise we can lose our annotations. So we will move our site file. So the best thing to move is to align with our building. Let's say this wall to this, somewhat like this, and this to this. So our site has been rotated and adjusted according to our building. Now, the next thing is we'll simply select our site file and go to this option which is not here. We'll click on this and this window will automatically appear. Now the next command we're gonna click is the acquire the shared coordinate system. Now what is it? We are basically acquiring the site coordinates for our building file. So we'll acquire the shared coordinates of the site and reconcile it. So what will happen? You will see some changes. Let's say if you select this project base point of the building file now, you will see the north-south elevation values and the angle to true north has been changed itself. But if you go to the floor plan, your annotations and all the things will remain as it is. Now you will be surprised like, is the site has been moved or is the building has been moved? So the main answer or the answer for this point is our building coordinates has been adjusted to the site. Now how will be checking it? We'll go to the orientation. It is adjusted to project north. If we change it to true north, it will adjust according to the site. So actually building has been adjusted, but it is showing according to the project north in our project. The last step is we'll save this file. After that, we're gonna open our site file and this time we'll link our building one file through the same shared coordinate system. And you will see that building will automatically orient according to the site like this. Okay, same thing you can do for the building two as well. Let's say Just link the site file into the building 2 file to shared coordinate system. The second step is align and put the site at its correct position. The third step is to make or acquire the coordinates of the site. And the fourth step is to save this file. Last step, again the same, will simply link our building 2 file to shared coordinate system in the site file, and it will eventually fall at its correct position like this.